The Rust trials begin. Welcome to Access Hollywood. I'm Mario Lopez, and Alec Baldwin and Rust Armorer Hannah Gutierrez Reed have both been charged with involuntary manslaughter, with an additional charge of tampering with evidence for Gutierrez Reed in the on-set shooting death of Rust cinematographer Halyna Hutchins. Alec's trial is due to start this summer, but today, jury selection began in Hannah's trial. So, will we finally get answers as to what really happened on that set?
We've had two people accidentally shot on a movie set by a prop gun.
The Rust tragedy changed the movie industry forever. The immediate question was, how did a live bullet get in the gun that caused this fatal accident?
Trial attorney Misty Marris, who does not represent Alec Baldwin or Hannah Gutierrez Reed, says in the beginning the finger pointing was endless, but ultimately all eyes fell on the film's star and executive producer Alec Baldwin and 24-year-old set armorer Hannah Gutierrez Reed.
We do know that a live bullet was loaded into the gun Alec Baldwin would use at a rehearsal, ultimately killing Halyna Hutchins. Prosecutors have said that they are confident they can prove that Hannah Gutierrez Reed was responsible for bringing the live bullets to the set. We don't know exactly what prosecutors have up their sleeve at this point, but this will be a big reveal at trial. She has several defenses that we can anticipate. Number one, she denies that she ever had live bullets in her hotel room or that she was responsible for live bullets being found on set. She also says that Alec Baldwin didn't take his safety training seriously. She also said that production rushed this entire movie because they wanted to come in under budget.
However, in a blow due to the defense last week, the judge ruled that some of the text reportedly alluding to Gutierrez Reed's alleged drug use off the clock, including the night before the fatal shooting itself, could be admissible in trial.
The jury is going to hear about text messages she exchanged with others about acquiring and taking cocaine and marijuana. This is all in furtherance of the prosecutor's theory that she was not of right mind when she was on set, and that was tantamount to reckless conduct. The defense intends to raise that there were no toxicology testing done that day. There's no reports to indicate whether or not substances were in her system.
And Misty points out this trial is just the first of many relating to Halyna's death.
Alec Baldwin is pleading not guilty for the second time now to involuntary manslaughter charges.
Alec says that actors are not responsible for the safety and maintenance of the gun on set. He also says that it's the armor's responsibility to ensure that the gun is loaded appropriately and that the safety protocols are followed.
What is the actor's responsibility?
The actor's responsibility is to do what the prop armorer tells him to do.
His entire case relates to who was responsible for the safety of the gun. If she is found to be responsible from a criminal perspective, that is going to be a huge part of Alec Baldwin's defense.
Now, Gutierrez Reed has pleaded not guilty to all of the charges. If convicted, however, of the involuntary manslaughter charge, she faces an 18-month prison sentence.